Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here with us. I want to start with a simple question. What is the value of a minute during an emergency? For a family rushing to a loved one to the hospital, it is everything. For someone gasping for breath, it is life itself. And yet, in a country as vast and advanced as India, access to emergency medical services remains unpredictable, unorganized, and in many cases, dangerously low. Isn't that unacceptable? Today, we live in a world where everything is at our fingertips. Groceries, clothes, ice cream, coffee, everything comes to you in less than 10 minutes. Why should it be different for emergencies? Why? Healthcare is not a privilege, it's a necessity. If we transform the way we access everyday conveniences, why must emergencies be any different? This is why we are here today. Because we know emergencies don't wait and medical help shouldn't either. I'm incredibly proud to introduce Zenzo, the largest ambulance network with 25,000 validated ambulances in 450 cities in India. What started as a small initiative in Mumbai is now nationwide life-saving force, ensuring that medical help arrives in less than 15 minutes. Think about it, 15 minutes? For too long, people have struggled to find a reliable ambulance service. They've made desperate calls and faced delays. Many have extorted in the most vulnerable moments. And that ends today. With Zenzo, that changes. One number, one app. A single platform that instantly connects you to the nearest ambulance, whether in a metro city or in a remote village in India. We are also fixing one other biggest problem in emergency care, which is unfair pricing. For the first time ever, Zenzo introduces one nation, one pricing for ambulance services. Basic ambulance will be 1,500 for up to 5 kilometers, and a cardiac ambulance will be 2,500 rupees for 5 kilometers. No hidden cost, no last minute surprise, no surge pricing, just fair, transparent pricing, because medical health should never be a luxury. We've also launched our own ambulances and partnered with trusted ambulance owners across India to make sure that no call for help goes unanswered. Zenzo is just not about speed, it's about fairness, access, dignity. It's about making sure that help reaches you, not based on where you live, or what you earn, or who you know, but simply because you need it. We are not stopping here. We have introduced 5G technology in emergency care. Our 5G ambulance sends real-time patient data to hospital before ambulance even arrives. The ambulance is right here outside parked for you to see it. This means doctors can start making critical decisions even before the patient arrives into the hospital. When seconds matter, this can save lives. We are also redefining who can be a first responder. A first responder is a person who can save a life, who's standing next to you, who's trained on first aid and CPR. Through our partners with Zomato and many other leading e-commerce and mobility players, we are training riders in first aid and CPR. These individuals who are always on the road can now become lifesavers in critical situations. Because in India, emergencies don't just happen in hospitals. They happen everywhere. Roads, offices, home, in places where medical help isn't immediately available. The more trained first responders we have, the more lives can be saved. In 2024, Mumbai recorded 5,000 road traffic accidents. resulting into 1100 fatality. Across India, 1.5 lakh people die in road accidents every year. And 30% of those deaths happen because of lack of medical help. That must change. Zenzo is redefining care, and this is just the beginning. We are upgrading ambulance. We are working hard to improve response time. We are bringing together government, hospital, business, communities to build a unified emergency care system that this country has never seen before. Because in the end, it's not just about numbers. It's about real people, real families, and real moments of need. Before I end, I would like to touch upon my experience, the experience of this company and this group. You must be thinking, I'm here talking such big things, and who am I and who is this company making such big claims? So my dear friends, we have been in emergency response space for the last 20 years. We have been working with different state governments, with different companies to provide emergency medical service. The founders who are here and the team which is here, we are determined to provide emergency response in India in less than 15 minutes. We have 20 years of experience working with government to provide ambulance service, medical mobile units, mobile clinics, health helplines. We also run veterinary animal ambulances. So we have a vast experience, and we are very confident that we will be able to achieve this dream of providing ambulance service in India in less than 15 minutes. Our work has been highly applauded and recognized by various government, client and others. For us, the biggest achievement has been the 5 crore people we have saved. Yes, you heard it right. Since inception, this company, this team of people, the 12,000 people working tirelessly have served 5 crore people in India since inception, which means every minute we serve 6 patients in India. And that is the motivation which gives us the inspiration to go on. The future of Zenzo will be measured only by one thing, the life it saves. To everyone here, friends, partners, media, help us spread this message. Tell someone. Save this number on your mobile, 1-800-102-1298. You never know when you need it or somebody else does, and you could possibly be instrumental in saving someone's life. Together, let's build an India where no one has to wait for medical help. I now would like to show a short video on how our partnership Zomato is helping everyday people to save lives. We trained 4,000 delivery partners in Zomato, and just after the training happened, one of them was faced by an emergency where a fellow person just fell flat, and that person actually got saved. Can we have the video of the first response by Zomato? One example which is documented. There are several more, but please help us spread this message that there is a number now which can be accessible 24/7, and a person can get medical help in less than 15 minutes. I want to end by thanking all the partners here, and also special thanks to late Mr. Ratan Tata, Mr. Mukesh Rai, Neeta Bhabi and Reliance Foundation for their unwavering support through this journey. Thank you very much, and open for questions now. Thank you.
मैम अभी तक ये टियर 2 टियर 3 सिटी में कहाँ तक पहुँचे?
हमारी 450 सिटीज़ का लिस्ट है, उसमें हमने ये एग्रीगेट कर लिए हैं एम्बुलेंस प्रोवाइडर्स, जिसमें मेट्रोज भी हैं और छोटी सिटीज़ भी हैं। आपको अगर वो लिस्ट चाहिए मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर दूँगी।
पर्टिकुलर कोई एक स्टेट में है, अलग अलग स्टेट में?
We've covered all the major cities in India and across different states. So it's not like we've done only one state. So we have the service available across all the 30 states in India.
Namaskar madam, this is Sujata here from News Plus News. This is a great initiative and we needed it for a country like ours. And you are right, we quoted Mahatma Gandhi. So the question is like we are tied up with Zomato and others. But what about the doctors and hospitals? Are you like tied up with the particular hospital so that you can reach there and get advanced medical help for these patients?
So we as an ambulance provider, the first right to choose a hospital is always with the patient. We never tell the patient where to go or the relative where to go. In case they need guidance of where to go, we will suggest. So we have tied up with all the hospitals to bring in patients because we have to inform them that the patient is coming. So that way we work with all the hospitals across India. Yeah.
किसी एनजीओ या ट्रस्ट के साथ में आपका कोई ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट है कि जहाँ किसी को फ्री सर्विस इमरजेंसी में दी जा सके? कोई टाइप हो किसी के साथ?
बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है। हम लोग 108 गवर्नमेंट के साथ चलाते हैं 5 स्टेट्स में, जहाँ पे हमारी 4,000 गाड़ियाँ एम्बुलेंसेस चलती हैं। तो जो 4,000 गाड़ियाँ हैं वो फ्री हैं। 108 का जो नंबर है वो फ्री है, उसमें फ्री सर्विसेज मिलती है। पर ये जो हमारा प्राइवेट एग्रीगेटेड है उसमें चार्जेस है, बिकॉज हमको भी वो चार्जेस देने पड़ते हैं अपने पार्टनर एम्बुलेंसेस को।
Ma'am, the charges you have said is 1,500 and 2,500 for 5 kilometers. So, I mean, it's okay, but a little far. It can't be 5 kilometers, it can be far also, no?
So then it is 50 rupees per kilometer for basic and 100 rupees per kilometer for cardiac.
For the cardiac.
Yes.
Okay.
It's like a taxi
Means
service.
as it is, the maintenance will go on increase.
Yes.
It's a very good initiative.
Thank you. Thank you.
मैडम ये डिलीवरी पार्टनर्स में से कितने लोगों को ट्रेनिंग दी हुई है और कौन देते हैं ट्रेनिंग?
Dr. Siddesh is the head of medical training. I'll let him answer that question.
So far across the 10 states and moreover, the trainings are still going on. And we have trained more than 9,000 delivery partners. And this training is done by the trainers who already doing this kind of trainings and they are emergency responders themselves. And these trainings include the first aid as well as the CPR. The current problem, we talk about the golden hour. And this golden hour is first 60 minutes after the injury or after the illness. And most of these minutes are generally spent with the relatives by a patient. Because when you choose a hospital which is 15-20 minutes away, that too, the relatives and the friends or the colleagues of the office are surrounded by that patient, right? So the patient can get the best response from the general public or maybe his relatives, maybe his friends or maybe the colleagues. Meanwhile, the ambulance is on the way. So that is the problem that what we are trying to solve by doing this kind of first aid CPR training or emergency response training or the first responder training programs.
So our partnership with Zomato is just an example. There are many other e-commerce company and mobility partners which we are tied up with, but we cannot disclose it now. So the idea is to create an army of first responders. In fact, I would encourage all of you also to get trained on first aid and CPR because emergencies just happen anywhere.
for that, we are also covering the schools and the colleges also. We are doing a lot of training for schools so that the teachers, the school bus drivers, even the college students are trained to provide a first aid because they are the most people who can ready to respond. So we are into that.
एम्बुलेंस के अंदर कौन सी सुविधा आपने रखी है? जैसे सडनली कोई किसी पेशेंट को सीपीआर वाला लेना पड़ता है या किसी ऑक्सीजन का वो सब
है। अगर आप हमारा डेमो देखेंगे एम्बुलेंसेस का तो यूजली दो तरह की एम्बुलेंस होती है, बेसिक होता है, कार्डियक होता है। बेसिक एम्बुलेंस में ऑक्सीजन और स्ट्रेचर ये सब होता है और बाकी कार्डियक एम्बुलेंस में जो आप बात कर रहे हैं उसमें सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स होते हैं, वेंटिलेटर, डिफिब्रिलेटर, एईडी सब कुछ होता है जिसमें द पर्सन कैन बी सेफ।
तो सडनली कोई रोड पे एक्सीडेंट होता है, जैसे हाईवे पे होता है, आप पहुंच जाते हैं आपके यहाँ पे, तो आप उस वक्त चार्जेस के बारे में कुछ सोचते हैं कि पहले पेशेंट के बारे में सोचते हैं?
मैं आपको ये बताते हुए बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि 108 जो सुविधा है वो फ्री है एब्सोल्युटली इंडिया में सबके लिए, और जो हाईवे पे एम्बुलेंस का नेटवर्क है वो भी फ्री है गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से। तो यूजली ऐसे जो एक्सीडेंट होते हैं वो 108 या फिर जो गवर्नमेंट की NHAI में हम ही चलाते हैं एक्चुअली, वो गाड़ियाँ एकदम फ्री है। सिटी के लिए ये हमारा प्राइवेट नेटवर्क ज़्यादा यूजफुल है।
How are you leveraging AI?
AI, so far I will have Dr. Nadeem answer that question. He's our technology partner.
I am Dr. Nadeem. I'm the founder of the company is doing the tech integration for Zenzo. So my company is called Apothecary Medical Services and we do the tech. So not only AI, we call it as, it's more into sending the senses of doctors. So AI is used inside the ambulance for instances like when a patient gets inside this ambulance and we have scoring system. I'm an emergency medicine physician as well. So this is my research that we have done. Before we reach to a hospital, you would have heard in a lot of cinemas, a lot of movies that if you're brought 5 minutes before, you would have saved their lives. So in our system, we get an alert that if the patient is going to die in next 10 minutes, we get a scoring system from the vital parameters that are inside the ambulance. So be it the ECG reading, be it the vital information that's being entered, and the patient age. We'll take that criteria, we analyze that criteria, AI will process it and will alert the doctor in the Zenzo's control room that this patient needs an immediate intervention as early as possible so that their lives can be saved. So we have AI in that sense, and along with that we have a digital stethoscope where you can listen to the sound of the heart and lung sounds of a patient and even the fetal heart sound of a baby who's there inside. Imagine a gynae patient is being transported. No millionaire, even if you are rich, you are having all these influences, beneath, but nothing can help you when you are on the road. Even if you are, a doctor itself, unless and until you get a proper ER emergency department, at least on the move, you will not be getting a treatment. So inside this ambulance, we are able to even transfer the sounds of the baby so that on the road, along the way, if the baby, if the mother is bleeding or if it's a road traffic accident, like Shweta rightly said, we are losing almost 19 deaths per hour in India. India is losing 19 deaths, and that out of those 19 deaths, 58% of those lost lives are preventable, and 60% of those deaths are that of youngsters. So we are losing GDP more, we are losing more youngsters. So with this kind of technology, all these things, not only a gynae patient, you can cater cardiac patient, you can cater trauma patient, you can get the value of their blood in 45 seconds with the prick of a blood, you will get to know whether their blood is being lost. So you can replenish the blood, you can transfer, you can connect with the nearest blood bank, you can transfuse the blood. So medically, you are providing all those kind of things that you are provided in a hospital up to a limit, so that those platinum minutes, more than golden hour we call, recently we are more into platinum minutes because those minutes, time is muscle for us. We lose lives within those seconds. So yeah, technology does wonders out here to send those senses of doctors.
So just to kind of give you a layman, of course doctor is very technical, can I just have the mic? If to go and see the ambulance outside. So if a patient is in the ambulance and connected